Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Wilsonville, Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, May 29th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through the info with you. So we'll start off, as we always do, look at active listings. This last week, I showed we had 7 new properties come on the market in Wilsonville, down from the prior couple of weeks. Not totally surprising given that we were kind of heading into a holiday weekend. I'd expect it to be a little less. Kind of matches a low for the 6 weeks. Ended the week at 19 with 19 homes on the market, just up 1 from the prior couple of weeks. Median price and days on market for the active listings, you can kind of see we've been steadily kind of rising here over this past month. Came in at 643,000 this last week, up about 9,000 over the prior week. And then days on market has been between 4 and 10 days of average market time. This last week was 10. Moving along to pending sales. This last week I showed we had 6 properties go pending in Wilsonville, down from the prior month of activity here. Kind of matches a low for the 6 weeks, and ended the week with 71 homes in pending status, which was down 3 from the prior week. And the median price days on market for those pendings, you can see that's been steadily dropping in terms of the median price. Started at 700 here 6 weeks ago. This last week held steady at just over 650,000. And then days on market been pretty close range here between 8, a high of 8, and then the last couple of weeks been at 6 days. So things continuing to go pending on average pretty quickly in Wilsonville. And then lastly here, we'll look at the sold listing activity. So as of the time I put this together, I show we had 8 homes last week that was recorded as sold. Down a couple from the prior week, but kind of in line or on average of kind of where it's been over this past week. If you look back over the prior 4 weeks of activity here, I show we had 31 homes in total close over this past month, which was same as the prior week, but certainly is down quite a bit from where we were here 6 weeks back. The median sold price and days on market for those solds, you can see we were riding right at 700,000 here for about 3 weeks in a row. This last week dipped down to 663, which is a low for the 6 weeks here. And then the days on market for the sold listings, again, pretty steady between 4 and 5. And then finally, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. The red bars is the weeks of inventory. So you can kind of see it, a month ago, it was, only a week of inventory. And we've been, steadily increasing from there. This last week came in at about 2.5 weeks of inventory. So, certainly still not a ton of inventory out there, but, definitely more than double kind of where it was just here a month ago. So things are, slowing down a bit. I think interest rate increases are starting to have an effect in the market for sure. The sale price as a percent of the original list price, you can kind of see we were up at about 105, over 105% here 6 weeks ago. And it's, been holding pretty steady. Actually, it's still about, 4% over. So, still very competitive in terms of what people are offering in relation to the asking price. So, all in all, it continues to be a very strong seller's market, but not quite as frenzied as it was even a month ago. So we'll see what happens as we move forward here. I would expect to, start seeing this start to continue to increase, and this probably going to kind of come down a bit as we head into the summer months here. So I hope this weekly update has been helpful and informative for you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your trusted realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call or send me a message at 503-680-2065, and I would be happy to help and answer any questions that you have. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.